Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, as you are aware, Cognizant has recently introduced game-based aptitude, and this particular game-based aptitude is been conducted by AON. Same thing, Capgemini also has game-based aptitude, and that is also being conducted by AON. So friends, the level of the question, the pattern of the question, everything remains same. So many of you are asking, sir, please do a video on game-based aptitude. So that is the reason here I have taken all the type of question, either it is deductive logical, okay, and then we have a digit based challenge, right, inductive logical thinking, right, you can see here we have digit challenge, okay, and then again we have inductive logical thinking, right, and then again we have this game motion based challenge, right, and then we have this certain kind of figure based challenge, right. So all those things, friends, we are going to do in our today's video, right. So please watch the video till the end, and friends, please do like the video. We are really putting a lot of effort for all of you, right. So this will be helping you in both Cognizant as well as Capgemini examination, right. Okay, anyway, so let us start with the first type of question, which comes in deductive logical thinking, right. Okay, before that, if we'll talk about Cognizant pattern, so Cognizant is having deductive reasoning, switch challenge, 9 minutes. Switch challenge is the last challenge which we were seeing. Deductive reasoning, gap challenge, okay, complex planning capabilities, motion challenge, inductive reasoning, that which you saw. 4 sections are there, 9 minutes, so it will be around for 36 minutes, and remaining 30 minutes your aptitude exam is there. Okay, now, so friends, the first type of game based which you see in Capgemini or Cognizant is this one, right, deductive logical thinking. So friends, here basically please try to understand, it's very easy. The only thing is you need to learn once that how can we do that. So here if you will try to see, we have this 4 figures, right, a square plus triangle, and then we have this circle. Now, so in this particular diagram, every row, right, so every row and every column, let me use yellow color here, so every row and every column will have all the 4 symbols, okay, all symbols, and it will not be repeated, and no repetition will be there, no repetition of any symbol should be there. Okay, see what I mean to say here, if you will see here triangle cannot again come here. So we have here a square, we have triangle, we have plus, so what can come here? So circle can come here, but the same image will not get repeated. Clear? Okay, now, so friends, here what will come? Circle will come, because already we are having plus, then triangle, and then plus sign. Okay, so square, triangle, plus sign, and then what is missing here? So here it is nothing but circle. Now they are asking, so what will come at the question mark? So this is one of the very simple question from the deductive logical thinking. So now we have circle, we have square, we have this particular plus, then definitely this triangle will come here. So this triangle, so as soon as you will click over here, right, so you will be getting a green symbol that it is correct, and you can move ahead, right, so that it is correct and you can move ahead. So you just have to keep in mind, every row or every column will have all the 4 elements, right, can have all the 4 elements, but none of the elements will be repeating. That's all, and that is the only logic behind this kind of question. Now let us practice some question, and then we will be able to understand. Okay, fine. So friends, here we need to find out what will come at the question mark, right? Okay, so one by one we will have to try to analyze. Okay, so triangle is here, right? Okay, in this diagram you see, so in this particular row you see row 4. Okay, so friends, you will be having 4 cross 4 matrix, you will be having 5 cross 5 matrix, right, all those things will be there in the exam. Now row 4 you see, so we have 2 places, right, already a square is there, circle is there. Now here triangle cannot come. Sir, why triangle cannot come here? Because the same row or the same column cannot have a duplicate elements, right? So it is very, very clear triangle will not come here. So where triangle will come? Triangle will come here. Okay, fine. Now friends, now let us go to the row 1. Now let us go to the row 1. So row 1, we have circle, we have square, and this triangle cannot come here because triangle is already there in the same column. So triangle will come here, and then here what will come? So plus will come. So you have to select this. Here there is no minimum number of attempts. So friends, actually marking here is not required, okay? Because once you know the triangle will not come here, triangle will go there, then you could have directly chosen this. So no problem. If you go step by step also, there is no problem at all, because there is no minimum number of attempts that you have to do to solve the problem. Clear? Okay. Now, so here you can see, so once you select this particular option, it will become green and it will be right tick mark that it is correct, and then you will be able to move to the next problem, right? Okay. Now friends, next problem. So next problem again, if you'll see, so we have 4 cross 4 matrix, right? Okay. So this particular column you see, okay? So this particular column you try to see here. Now here we are already having plus, we already having triangle, right? Circle cannot come here, otherwise the same row, the elements will get duplicated. So the circle will come here, the circle will come here. Now what is remaining? So remaining is nothing but here, this is square. Okay, fine, great. Now friends, so if you will try to see this particular diagram, now we need this question mark here. So we have 2 elements, fine. So let us try to see more what can be done. Okay, so basically this is done. Circle we have brought. Now here, so we have a square and we have circle. Triangle is here. Now triangle cannot come here, otherwise this particular column will have duplicate element. So triangle will come here, that's all. So you have to select triangle. As soon as you will select triangle, it will become green, a tick mark will be there, and you will be able to move to the next question, right? I hope you are getting the clarity friends, slowly. Now again one 4 by 4. Okay, so here this question, okay, this question if we try to see, so they are asking what will come here. This seems very simple. So plus is already there, plus cannot come, right? So plus will have to go here, that's all. So here you had to select plus, right? And you see, so once you will select plus, it will become green, right? And there will be tick mark. That means you are ready to move to the next problem, right? Okay. Now next problem friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next problem is a 5 by 5 grid, right? So this is a 5 by 5 grid, and this will give you a very good idea. This will give you a very good idea. So let us see 5 cross 5 grid, what will happen. So in 5 cross 5 grid, they are asking what will come here. Okay, now, so friends, here what we will do, first we can get to know about this particular row. So this particular row, column, yeah, row. So this row 4. So we have square, circle, star. Now triangle is here, triangle cannot come here. So sir, triangle will come and sit here. So friends, once you click your mouse here, no, then this will appear. So once you click your mouse, then this particular section will appear, and then you have to click on this triangle. Okay, and if you want to cancel this, you can click on this star mark. You can click on this star mark. I hope you are able to see. Fine. So once you click here to select triangle, these 5 icons will be appearing, and then you have to select triangle from there. So we have circle, square, star, triangle, and the remaining is nothing but plus sign. Plus sign will come here. Anyway, we need to find out what will be there. Okay, fine. Next is friends, so we have circle, we have this. Now can you tell me star can come here? No, star cannot come here because already the star is here. So definitely at this place your star will be coming. So you need to select this one. As soon as you will select, right, it will become green, a tick mark will be there. That means you are ready to move to the next problem, right? Friends, it will be adaptive in nature, okay? So it will be adaptive in nature. So what is the meaning of adaptive in nature? So friends, slowly, see, first simple question will come. And as you will be progressing, like you solved first question very happy, second question happy, third question little less happy. So like this, fourth, fifth question, you will become sad, okay? Because the level of the questions will be keep increasing, okay? Fine. Then next we have one more problem here. So this particular problem, so let us try. So friends, okay, now let us see, so what all things are there and which column we can do something, right? So definitely you have to think a bit in the exam hall. So okay, now you see in this particular row, so row 1, okay, so row 1 we can see this square is there, right? So the square cannot come here, square cannot come here, otherwise that row will have this duplicate element. So definitely this square will come here, okay, fine. After you're able to fix the square, then circle cannot come here, right? Because already this column will become 2 circle will come here, and then star will come here, right? But anyway they are asking what will come here. Now this is having square, plus sign, triangle, circle is not there, circle cannot come here, already sitting here. So circle will have to go there, and one circle will go there. You just need to select circle. As soon as you select circle, it will become green, and they will tell, okay, let us move ahead, okay? So this is how you are going to deal with. This is also 5 cross 5 matrix, okay? And you will be easily able to deal, right? So this is the questions you need to practice. Next friends, inductive logical thinking. So inductive logical thinking, so basically this is given to you, right? So this is given to you, you have to analyze the pattern, okay? And then you have to mark here. There are 3 blue color and there are 3 is nothing but in the gray color. Now in blue color friends, if we try to analyze, there is a alphabet which is 5 times, okay? Here also there is a alphabet which is 5 times. In blue color again there is a alphabet which is nothing but 5 times, okay? Fine. So 3 are together, 3 are together, 3 are together. Now here you see where is the alphabet 5 times. So I could say X, 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 right? Okay. Then again here B, 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 B 5 times. So what we will do? We will color them, right? So we will color them with this particular, you know, we will select this blue color. So when you will click over here, it will appear and you have to select their blue, right? Okay. And the remaining 2 will be definitely, so the gray color which I cannot use from here. So I will just select, okay. So remaining 2 will be nothing but this is gray color, right? So this is how you have to select, and once you will select, then it will tell you it is right and you will be able to move to the next problem, right? So friends, basically getting the logic, understanding the logic is very, very important when you are solving the problem. Now next problem, is it same? Okay. Now, so this is again one question, and here we have to see, so how we can deal with this, right? So here we have gray color and then we have, you know, green color, right? Okay. So what is the logic here? So friends, the gray color, no, you can see wherever the gray color is there, it is only having numbers. It is only having numbers. Here also gray color is only having numbers. Gray colors only having numbers. But green color, if you'll see, it is having number plus alphabet. Numbers plus alphabet. Numbers plus alphabet. So you see, this is nothing but numbers plus alphabet. So I'm sorry. So color this below part, right? Okay. Then numbers plus alphabet, color this below part. And for gray again, you take some color, and for gray the top has to be colored because gray is only numbers, right? So this is one type of question which will come under your inductive logical thinking. Now next is friends, you will be having digit challenge. Okay, digit challenge. So in digit challenge, what you need to understand is, friends, see all the game based questions either in Cognizant and Capgemini, one thing which you need to understand is you cannot repeat anything. If it is the first one, grid challenge we saw, right? So there also you cannot repeat the same element. Here also you cannot repeat the numbers. Now suppose the first diagram you have, so you have to get by multiplying and addition, you have to get 20. Definitely BODMAS rule you have to BODMAS rule you have to follow, right? So BODMAS rule you have to follow, because BODMAS rule says bhaiya first, right? So BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? And subtraction. So you have to follow that, and then only you will be able to solve the question. Now here you want 20. So friends, how you can get 20? So you can get 20, 5 into, right? 5 into 3 plus 5. You can get 15 plus 5, 20. But I said you friends, digits should not be repeated, right? That is their condition. Now, so what we will do? So we can do like this, 6 into 3 and plus 2. Yes, fine. There might be multiple solution, you don't have to worry, right? And then 8 into 2 plus 6. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. There might be multiple solution, you do not have to worry here, right? And once you will tick that, your answer is correct, you are able to go ahead. Next, what divided by what into what will give you 6. Before that we will see 30 how we will get, right? Okay, so 6, okay, 5, no. Okay, 3 into 2 is 6, no. So okay, 7 into 4 is 28 and plus 2, right? This is one combination. So 28 plus 2, then okay, 7 into 3, 21 plus 9, okay, then so many combinations you can get if you will try to search. But always remember, see, now sir, in exam what we have to do? So you can select any combination, no problem, you will be getting the answer, your answer will be correct. Now sir, for this one what we have to do? So this is divided by into multiplication, and friends, as the question start becoming complicated, many of the digits will not be given. So you have to utilize this digit and then only you have to solve. Like what divided by what into what will give you 6, right? See, so what you could have done, right? So what you could have done, okay, here 6 by, okay, so here you could have done 6 by 3 is 2, okay, no, that we can't do. So basically these are the digits we have to use. So what I will do, I will write 9 here and then 6 and then here 4. So 9 by 6 will be nothing but 1.5, and 1.5 into 4 will be nothing but 6. So basically I have to use the given digits only. I have to use the given digits only. So like this you will be able to do. So friends, if you don't practice or if you don't solve this kind of question, and if it comes in exam, you will not be able to do it, right? So that's the reason, friends, whatever classes we are doing, it's very, very important. And I request all of you, please friends, do like the video and comment. Then only I will be able to bring more and more such videos for you, right? Okay. I hope this is also clear. Now moving towards the next problem. Okay. So the next problem is, what will give you this 135, right? So friends, if you want 135, then 15 into 9. So 5 into 3 will be 5 into 3 will be 15. Okay, 5 into 3 will be 15 and 15 into 9 will be this, right? Okay, 9 5 ja will be 45 and 45 into 3 same thing, 9 into 3 same thing. Okay, So this you will be able to do 5 into 3 into 9 and it will give you 135, right? Okay. Sorry, so one page has fallen down. Now let us move towards the next problem. Friends, next problem is your inductive logical thinking, right? So here please mark the object that does not fit the rule. So here friends, if we try to see, we have all kind of rhombus figure, right? Rhombus, kind of rhombus. Here you see you have a square. So this is definitely does not fit here, right? This is definitely does not fit here. So friends, here you see a row of 9 objects, of which exactly one does not fit the rule. Okay, so you have to select and then click on next, right? Okay, then please mark the object that does not fit the rule. Okay, so now friends, in this question if you'll see, so which one you are going to select? So here you try to see, here we have 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 plus. Here we have 8 plus. Here we have 3 3 6 7 6, and here it should be 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So this particular is a mistake, right? So 6 should not come again. So this one will not fit in the figure. See friends, I am telling these problems are not tough. The only thing is, if you have not done earlier, then you will find it is difficult. Friends, if you are selecting the wrong answer, then it will reflect the answer is wrong again. The correct answer is 5th object in the row. The number of symbol within an object decreases from left to right. The 5th object therefore would only contain 5 symbol and does not fit the rule, right? Okay. Now another 2 questions from this inductive logical thinking. So please mark the object that does not fit the rule. So friends, here you see in all the figure there are 2 figures and both are separated from each other, right? But if you see this particular figure, right, then this is not separated. So inside one figure another figure is there. So this is the culprit, right? So this is the culprit which we have to see, right? Okay, then please mark the object that does not fit the rule, right? So please mark the object that does not fit the rule. Now friends, here if you'll see 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, and then here it is nothing but 2. So here it should be 1. So this does not fit inside the diagram, right? Getting the clarity? Very good. Now next is friends, motion based challenge. Okay, so friends, in motion based challenge what will happen? See, there will be a hole here, right? So this is nothing but a hole here. Okay, and you have to put the ball in the hole, that you already know, right? So putting the ball inside the hole. So this particular ball you have to put inside this particular hole, right? Okay, how you will be able to do? So friends, for doing that, what you have to do is, see, this is an obstacle. So right now this blue you see, this is an obstacle, right? This is also an obstacle. So all are an obstacle, and this particular symbol don't ignore. So this you cannot move. This is also an obstacle and it is a fixed obstacle. Okay, this is a fixed obstacle which you cannot move, right? Okay, and these are the obstacle which you will be able to move, right? Okay friends, I will show you one video, but before that first I will try to do it by myself. Okay, we will see, understand, and then we will watch the video. Now what I am going to do, friends, see this particular figure, I will move it like this. Okay, I will move it like this. So what will happen? This particular place is empty. Okay, now, and this one what I will do? So this one again I will bring it this side and then I will move it here, because these are the obstacle. So now this is also moved here, so I can aram se go till here. Okay, fine. Now friends, this one what I will do? I will bring it like this and then I will move it here, and then I will move it here. Now for this particular one, no, right? So now for this particular one, I will directly come here, okay, and it will directly go and put in the hole, right? So friends, the obstacles you have to just move it, and they wanted the minimum number of steps. So in motion based challenge, they will be asking you the minimum number where they can do the things. Now let us try to see one video here, and that, you know, that I think will help you to understand how exactly in the exams it happens, right? Okay, fine. So I will just come out from the screen and then I will play. Now see, the blue color is moved, this is also moved, this green color is also moved. Now this place is completely empty. Red, we will bring it from there and then we will put in the hole, and that's all. So you will be able to move to the next this thing, right? Once again you see, once again you try to analyze, okay? What I had done, same thing they are doing, right? These two obstacles they cannot touch. These two obstacles they cannot touch, right? So basically they have to make the path clear for this ball. So this blue moved up, right? This one, this and this. Now this green one here, green one can go cross the hole, that is not a problem. Now red one, okay, this, and that's all done. So I hope you have understood this particular motion based challenge, right? So this is in motion, so that's the reason it is, you know, I mean, okay, let me stop it first. It's okay, no problem. So let me just go back to our presentation. Okay, friends, the PDF file will be uploaded in the group. So whatever the class which is I'm taking now, so the PDF file will be uploaded in this Telegram group. So if you have not yet joined, join the Telegram group, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video. We are already doing a lot of activities, all Cognizant papers, right, which you are able to see. Cognizant daily preparation videos we put, Capgemini also we have started putting, right? So a lot of activities which is already happening on our channel. Okay, now now friends, so let us go back to our presentation. Let me close this. Okay, fine. So that is what I was telling you. If we'll try to, okay, if we'll try to analyze here, right, go back. Okay, so if we'll try to analyze here, the same thing I was telling you, right? So what we have to do, this blue one, you have to bring it here, and then this blue, so go little up, okay, here, then move it here, right? Okay, then this particular place is empty till here, and now this one, so this one we will go like this, and then we will shift it like this. So this ball will come here and directly go there. Now the next problem, if we'll try to see, so in next problem what we can do, right? Okay, so hole is here, right? So friends, if in the next problem hole is here, then this is the fixed obstacle, this is the fixed obstacle, right? Okay, so what I will do, the blue one, this particular blue one, I will move it here, okay? Then this red will come like this, the red will go like this, and the red will come here, right? That's all. Okay, see, you if you'll just move it, right, then red will come here and it will go there. Otherwise what you can do, see, if you are moving this, then this also we will have to move it somewhere, it will become more complicated, right? Okay, so I hope this is clear. Okay, because there is an obstacle here and we can't move that. Next, so next we will see, so next friends, these some actual questions also we will solve which was asked in examination. Friends, these are very simple question. So the one which I am doing now, it's very simple question, okay? So this is a very simple question if we'll try to see. Now here what you have to do, friends, see, this 2 figure is given, right, on the left side, and right side you have the 4 figure. Now you just have to see which one is following the pattern. So now if you'll see the pattern, here we have in the, basically in the grid matrix 3 cross 3, all elements are same. Here in the grid, all matrix are same. So now you have to tick, so this grid is having all elements same, then this is not having all elements same, here it is different, this is not having all elements same, so this is also done, this too. So you have to select whichever is following the left side pattern. So if it is having all the same elements means same elements, all however it is, so you have to follow that particular pattern. So this was a question which was asked in Cognizant exam on 16th of September yesterday, right? Yesterday also I had solved it. Today also I am just giving you more information about this so that you will be able to relate what are the type of questions will come. Okay, now friend, there is one more game based question is there, right? See here your attempt will be shown, so how many minimum steps you are taking, right? Okay, so the hole is here, right? So the hole is here. So what you can do, friends, so you can move this here, right? And then you can bring this here, okay? And then it will go like this and directly you can put it, right? So this one you are moving, so this one you brought it here and then here, okay? This particular space is empty now, so this and this, right? So you will be able to put this inside the hole in the minimum number of ways. Now friends, this particular questions, this is very easy. Looks like, you know, if you'll see the question, look like it is very difficult or it is very different, but I'm telling you it is a very simple question. Identify the order of arrangement. Identify the order of arrangement. Okay, so friends, here we have plus sign, triangle, plus and circle. So square, triangle, plus and circle, they are doing some operation. After operation you are getting this. Okay, now so what operation they are doing? They are rearranging. So the fourth one they have sent it, right? Sorry, so what operation they have done? So the third one they have sent at the first place. So what they did, first they played with the third element, put at the first place. Then second element they have put at the second place. Then fourth element they have put at the third place. And then first element they have put at the fourth place. So this is what they have done. So they have basically done a operation 3 2 4 1, and that is what you have to select. Okay, that is what they have to select. So they have done this 3 2 4 1. This you have to select. Once you will select, you will be able to move towards the next problem. This was one of the easy problem. Slowly it will start becoming complicated like this. Okay, now so friends, it is not very clear. So here we have, sorry, so here we have a circle. Okay, so here we have circle, here we have a square. I will just draw. So here we have circle. Let me use yellow pen. Here we have a square, here we have triangle, and no, here there was no circle. So this was plus sign, okay, and this was circle. Okay, now they did some operation, okay, and after the operation they have got this plus triangle, this one. Okay, so they did some operation and then they have got this. Now from this they are going to input here and they are going to do some operation and then they will be getting this. So you just need to tell what is the operation they are going to do. You need to select. So friends, see, the second one has come to the first place. So operation number 1 is 2. Then the third one has come to second place. Operation number 2 is 3. Then the fourth one has come to third place. And the first one has come to fourth place. So this is the operation is done. So 2 3 4 1 you had to select, and then you will be easily able to move to the next problem, right? So friends, this is all about your game based aptitude, and I have touched almost all type of question, and this will definitely give you a lot of information that okay, so how your exam is going to happen, what kind of questions will be coming, right? So this is what you guys were asking from long time, I mean from last 2 days, and I was not getting time. So do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like our videos. Thank you, take care, all the very best.